So the question is that find the nature, the position of the image of an object passing through 50 centimeters from the diverging rates of focal length is equal to 50 centimeters. So answer for that question. So we need the nature and the position of the image. Means that we have the position of object. Position of object, that is equal P, which is equal 15 centimeters. So also we have the focal length. FO is equal also 15 centimeters. But remember that this focal length is what is for the diverging length. The difference between the diverging length and the converging length. Remember that when we have the diverging length, we have a negative focal length. It means that the focal length of the diverging length, it diverges the radiation. It also is not converged. It diverges the rays comes or the rays on the lenses. It means also it always formate the diverging rate is always formate the virtual image. The image is located on the same side of the object. So according to that, this is equal to negative. Because the diverging length also always use the focal length which is equal the image. Is not the principal focal length, it is the prime or the image of focal length. So then, let's start formula. Yes, formula is what? 1 over F is equal 1 over P plus 1 over Q. Remember that this Q is the position of image. So when you place this, minus 1 over 15, because this is equal negative for that, is equal 1 over t plus 1 over k. So according to the good, we continue to that. The position of image this is equal key. When you replace this key in that, or when you replace, you find the value of key, then 1 over key is equal minus 1 over 15 minus, when this move in that direction, 1 over also 15. So then 1 over key is equal, common denominator is equal 15, then minus 1 minus 1. So 1 over key is equal minus 2 over 15. So according to that, when you do inverse, key is equal minus 15 over 2. Then key is equal minus 7.5 centimeter. This is the value of key. Position of image is 7.5 centimeter in front of rays. It means that it is a virtual. So the nature image is virtual because this is negative. Also, the image is also, when you take this, divided the position, it is diminished, it is smaller because it is distance. So the image is diminished. And so also, because when you take the magnification, we get positive because magnification is minus k over p. Then this positive, it means that the image is erect or upward. Also, you can do that. The image is located in 7.5 centimeter in front of rays diverging length. So this is the image, the natural, the characteristic of image formed by diverging length. Please, the keywords that the diverging lengths always form the virtual image erect and smaller than the object. But for converging lengths, remember that converging lengths always, except one, always format the real image which is inverted. But for one where the object is in front of or is in between the focal length and the lens, the image is virtual and it is magnified. In that case, for converging lens, for magnifying lens, we're using the converging lens of focal length and the position is lower than the focal length. Thank you for watching this. Remember to subscribe to our School TV, and it is a source of skills. So we are together.